How to make your PC faster in 1 minute. So we'll go to the start button and search setting. We'll search for the privacy, go inside and search background apps. So you can see the background apps here. We'll check and you can see all the background apps are on here. From the top, we'll just off them all. And this is the first step. Second step will be in the search button, type run and type percentage temp percentage. You'll open all the temporary files and choose all the temporary files and delete them. Clean your temporary files. There are many files like this, and this two simple steps can make your PC faster in 1 minute.